Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and a warm welcome to you guys. It's good to have you guys back on the channel again. To drop content for you guys is one of the things that really keeps us forex trader motivated. You understand? Now I want to use this opportunity to do a big shout out to our subscribers, our viewers, which especially you understand. Like the view I got from my last video was really encouraging. First video on this channel, and I really got a lot of turn up. So my viewers, I really appreciate, and my subscribers. Now today I'll be doing something new. Yeah, I want to show you guys. Like my last week, I had a pure winning streak on GBPUSD. Yeah, I traded gold, I traded GBPUSD, but I'm going to be showing you how I took trades on GBPUSD using Jeffrey Benson's analysis. Yeah, he's my mentor. A big shout out to him also. If not for that guy, I wouldn't have mastered forex in like 6 months. Yeah, just kidding though. I'm just kidding, but he really made my forex journey so easy, and I'm giving him a very big shout out. Alright, so I'll be taking you to my charts in a GIF now. So bye. Hi guys, welcome to my screen. It's a little bit messy, but let's get straight to the point. Now I would want to own this section breaks so we can know where we started the last, because this stuff I'm about to show you guys, it's something that happened last week. From Monday, how I took trades that made me really profitable. So now I'm sure if you've been following Jeffrey Benson on his free course, you'll see the way he trades, the style of his trading. You see it here. I have my high of the week, I have my trend lines, I have my psychology level, everything. So with no further ado, let's get straight to it. So on the 15 minutes, you can see it clearly, everything hitting TP. I was purely on TP starting from Monday. You see it, I was hitting TP so aggressively. And a little thing I learned from Fire Peeps, from their post on Insta. You can follow them on Instagram, firepeeps.com, firepeepfx.com. I guess that's how it is. So you can follow them on Instagram. You learn values, like you gain values from those stuffs. Now you see it, I took 4 trades, and it's only on Wednesday I didn't trade. Yeah, it's only on Wednesday, you can see it clearly, but the rest days I traded maximum profit. Now I will take you to another screen. I've not subscribed for my trading view, so I'd like to beg permission, but the way I'll explain it, you guys will still understand. Clean, exactly. Now first of all, when you come to GBPUSD as a day trader, if you want to start your trading, you know that you are coming to 4 hours. I swing trade, I day trade, and I scalp. But now we are talking of day trading. You would like to come down to the 4-hour time frame, and what are you looking for in this 4-hour time frame? You want to know the trend of this market. Yes, sir. You want to know the trend of this market. After last week, this entire guy, this guy here, it has not formed. This entire person has not formed. I guess it formed on Thursday. It started on Wednesday, or it formed on Thursday, Friday. That's when that guy formed. So the trend line was like from here. I wish I had subscribed for this stuff. I would have just done a replay. Alright, so how do you plot your trend line? You draw it on the this thing. They said for a trend line to be valid, it has to have 2 or more touches. But this time, when you are making a trend line have 2 or more touches, they are not telling you just to put it like somewhere here, like here, because right now I want to show you something. Now if you leave your trend line here, you will not know the current trend of this market. Put it at the most outermost touches. That's the rule. At the most atomic touches, then you have it connected. So if you're following Jeffrey Benson, you should know all these principles. If you're following him well and you're following Fire Pips Academy, because there was something I recently learned from. That's why I told you guys to, like, I'm advising you guys to follow Fire Pips Academy on Instagram, because they usually drop sound information, and this information, they just drop it once, but if you use this information to work, trust me, you'll be killing it in the market. So follow them on their this thing, on their platform on Instagram, and if you register, you understand, get yourself a mentorship program. Trust me, you will never remain the same. Your trading journey, those sales you are eating. I was once a fan of SL. Like, I'll be like, Jeff is making it online. I'm following his strategy, but what's going on? Until I joined, and then got to know all these concepts. So now we already know the trend of this market. This market is bullish. That aside, that time, let's just consider we are not seeing this guy. As at that time, this market was bullish, but to consider this present market now, this market has changed trend. You ask me how? It's not because it broke this trend line. No, trend line does not determine the trend of the market. How did I know? I learned it from firepipfx.com. Follow them on Instagram now. Take a mentorship program. I'm sounding it. Follow them on Instagram and take a mentorship program. Now, how did I get to know? I did not know this thing before, not until when it was said in Fire Pips Academy. Now, how do you know a market is bullish? The creation of its higher high, higher low, higher high, which is here. Or where is it? It should be here, I guess. Okay, here, because this particular high is higher than this previous one, so we'll just leave it here. Another higher high, then higher low here, then this higher high here, because why? It's higher than the former. This is another higher high. Took out the former high, so this is the recent higher high. Then this guy, this is his low here. So we'll stop here. Now, this market already took out this previous low, which, if you trade SMC, there's something they call change of character. So it took out this previous low. This entirely causes the change of trend in this market. As it broke the previous low, took it out, we know that, okay, this market now have changed from bullish to bearish. The more it keeps taking the previous lows of those markets, that means it's already changing. It has changed already to bearish market. So this market is no longer bullish. It's already a bearish market. So I'll take my trend line now. Now I'm going to tell you guys how I saw this, and I took trade based off this stuff on Thursday, I guess. I'll be on Friday. It's either Thursday or Friday that I took trade from this guy. So now, how will I trade this market? How will I make money from it without psychology level, without anything? I know that anytime price goes up again to touch this trend line, I should expect a sell. If it holds, I should expect a sell. You understand? Now, you will see that the market is already doing something now. It's forming lower low, lower high. Now, it has already taken out this high to form another lower low. Now I should be expecting price to get here and continue in the trend. But it's the market, you can't tell the market what to do. So anything the market does, I follow. Now, if this market say, okay, I'm not going to respect this trend, then I'll be expecting this same market to take out this low. I'll be expecting this market. Okay, if you say I'm going to turn bullish, the only way this market can be bullish again, I expect it to take out this low here. Then if market can take out this low, I know that, okay, this market is, sorry about that, I know that this market has already changed again to a bullish market. So let's go ahead and plot our psychology level. I'm sure you guys know how to plot psychology level. The recent market point, the recent point of market, then you adjust it to the whole number. So that's 600. Oh, let me say 500 because it's close. It's closer. Now let's plot. Let's okay, this one moved a little bit. Alright, so let's get our high and our section break. Sorry, then we'll know the high and low of the week, so we can be able to track it. Alright, so this was on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and on Monday. Exactly this point. Now every market, this stuff was bullish in Black Bull. That stuff was bearish. Sorry. So use your tool here to mark out your highs and lows. As I just always say something that I don't trade on Monday exactly, but when I see entries, I trade because normally I follow everything it says. And so I don't trade on Monday, but when I see an entry or a setup, I have to just trade it. So we are done on a 4-hour time frame. Let's head straight to 1 hour. So on this 1 hour now, we are looking for chart pattern. Now from here, I'm seeing an inverse head and shoulder. If this candle can form up, then reverse again, hit this particular cycle level, I know that okay, you should get to this trend line, then now I'll continue the trend. But if not, we'll have to reposition. So we're looking for chart pattern. That's one I've already mapped out here. I've already mapped out one here. So if it plays more pips, all right. So why did I take? I'm sure it was a buy I took on Monday. I'll explain that concept to you now. Now there's how I do take my trades. All right. So you can still add this to your pattern of trading. This is showing too many weak rejections. That's why I like using FXCM. Alright, so I do wake up like 6:45, I guess. So when I woke up, I firstly come to my charts, then I found this guy. I found this bearish candle here, and I found like it did this weak rejection since Friday. Market have been trying to push down, but there are some strong forces holding it, so it could not break down. Then it started consolidating. It came here, tried to do the same thing again. It has been trying since Sydney and Tokyo section, but it seems like it's not working. Then when I saw it again, I was like, let me take advantage of this guy. I feel there's already like more bullish power in the market now, but it's not like trying to like align, you understand? It's still trying to push down. So I had this block like this. I put out this. I was like, if market is going to come and test this zone again, that's to form a double bottom, I'm going to long. Exactly when market came down to test it, then reversed on this candle, on this particular candle, I got in. Yeah, that's how I got in. Then I put my stop loss. I'm always setting stop loss first below like this. Exactly. Then targeted 1:3. The error of 1:2. I don't do 1:2. I do 1:3. The market can give me, praise God. So that's how I hit my first TP, and I get to watch my trade and exit manually. But if I'm not exiting manually or I'm busy doing something, I'll just set my trade either 1:3 max or 1:2.5. Then use proper risk management. So I got hit like by 6 o'clock because Monday I'm always busy, so I just had to leave it and let it run. Imagine risking 14 pips to catch 42. That's a lot of pips. So on Tuesday, this was Tuesday now, exactly. exactly. Now I woke up again around 6. Then I started watching the market. I was watching the market, then it happened again. Alright, it happened again. Then you know, I still did use the same strategy, the same pattern. You understand? Now there's something I noticed in this high and low of the week. I've been noticing it since, but I've been trying to be ignorant. Anytime price comes to touch this or come in between this high and low of the week, price seems to act like a support and resistance zone to market. That's how I feel it seems to act. It seems to act like a support and resistance zone. So when I saw this, how did I get in? I just had my entry here. When I say it shot up a little bit, I was like, okay, though this is not an healthy entry, but I just had to risk it. You take risk. So this was why I placed my stop loss. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit above this zone because I wasn't ready to risk too much. Then I targeted 1:3 as usual. Then I had my so this was how I traded on that day. When I saw it, then I saw this bullish candle forming again. I was like, okay, I should get in. So that was how I got in. I told you if I see price come down here again, so I got in on this candle exactly. This bullish this bearish candle. Let me indicate it. This bearish candle here. That's when I got in. Then luckily I backed down because this trade I wasn't so sure about it, but I just had to because it's part of the principle. And if you check out the pattern, it's giving you a W vibe there. You understand? Double bottom. So on Wednesday, I waited for market, but it was really choppy. When I woke up, I was just like, this market is really choppy. Can I make money off it? So you don't trade every day. Then I left it. So it was on Thursday I got the concept. On Thursday, yeah, I got it. I got the concept on Thursday. This market is really showing too much noises. I'm not really enjoying it. So I can't really even identify the bar I got it. It's really just choppy. But this is not giving me full details. GBPUSD. Right, you see it exactly. When it touched it, that was how I got in. On the next candle that opened, this was not showing me the legit thing, and this one was 1:3 exactly. It was news that happened on that day. There was a retail news on that day that took it might take profit. So that was how I got to trade this market that day. You see the one on Thursday, I waited for. I knew that, yeah, exactly. I knew that FXCM was not giving me ICE was not giving me the legit info. I waited for just a break. Then I knew that upon the next candle that's opening, I should get in. Then it just retest the zone a little bit, and it did its work. Now you see here again, legit. Now this was the candle I got on. Exactly. Upon the opening, I knew that if price come to retest it again, it should flash up again because the zone that it has always respected. You understand? Tracing it from previous, it was once a resistance. Tracing from previous market trades. So I guess that's all. Yeah. So guys, if you really want to know how to trade this way, hit TPs this way, head up to firepipsfx.com and grab a mentorship now. You understand? Grab a mentorship now. Follow them on Instagram, and trust, you should be seeing results like me. Trade less. 1:3. I feel it's only there was one of my trade that did not really it was only on Thursday that did not really do 1:3. Yeah, so that's how we do it. I'll see you guys on my other next video. So again, if you've not hit the, you know, help my channel grow, help us grow. I'm growing, you're all growing. You understand? It's motivation that, it keeps me to do more content like this, and you get to learn from them. So hit the subscribe button and like and share this video to your friends. Just like and share so it can be recommended to other people on YouTube, and continue hitting TVs. All right, we'll see each other on the next video. I love you guys. Stay safe.